Now the IBGP. The same thing, BGP neighborship between routers that are in the same AS are IBGP neighbors. What are IBGP? Till now we have discussed EBGP where two routers are in different AS. But now they are in single AS. And what is IBGP neighborship required? When two internet connected routers need to communicate BGP routes to each other, because these routers may want to forward IP packets to other internet connected router. The neighborship requirement for IBGP are the same as EBGP, except for the ASN value is in the remote, AS is in same AS. And the neighbor remote AS command will list same AS number as a local AS number, which is configured in router BGP AS command. Yeah. But remember, when an IBGP neighborship is formed, BGP will always generate the packet with TTL value 255. Whereas for EBGP, it will always be only 1. Clear? And what are the other requirements? And the other requirements is also same like EBGP. The BGP router IDs of the two must not be the same. If configured, MD5 authentication must pass. And each router must be part of a TCP connection with the other router, with remote router's IP address used in the TCP connection matching what the local router config. Same thing here. Again, on the IBGP also, if you are forming the neighborship with the loopbacks, you need to have update source loopback address. Clear? One thing I forgot is I need to show you the router BGP 200 BGP router ID. This is a command to give the router ID on the BGP router. I'm giving it 1.1.1.1. Here also I'm giving the same thing. Can you see this? Immediately, BGP identifier wrong. BGP identifier wrong, BGP identifier wrong, BGP identifier wrong. And immediately our status moved to idle. No neighbors. Clear? This is all because BGP identifier has become same. Let me make it as 2.2.2.2. So immediately our neighborship will come up. Came up? Right? Here, this is how we form the neighborship, right? And now if we see IBGP, let me make this R3 guy come up. And here on this, I'm configuring interface E0 by 1, IP address 23 by 2. Interface is 0 by 0. Ping 23.2. Yep, it is done. Yeah. I'm in the same AS as R2 200. Command is neighbor. (23.2) remote AS is 200. Here and here on R2 also. (23.3) remote AS is 200. Immediately our neighborship will come up. Came up? What if you form the neighborship based on loopbacks? I have broken this neighborship. Here, first I need to have the route, without which no neighborship. Sorry, yeah, right. Now I have the route. So do show IP route. I have the route to 3. BGP 200. Neighbor 3.3.3.3. Remote AS is 200. 200. 2.2.2.2. Remote AS is 200. Even though now it doesn't work because he is sending towards 3.3.3.2.2.2.2, but still the IP source IP is using is 23.2. Right. Neighbor 2.2.2.2 update source loop back, and the same thing here 3.3. And remember, the beauty of this command is if you are giving on one side, it will form the neighbor in IBG. I haven't given this command on R2, but still it has formed the neighbor. Yeah, just you need to give the command on one router. Okay, but remaining everything is same. Forming the neighborship, everything is same. Yeah, but where is the difference? That we'll be discussing in the future classes. Here, if you are using update source, loopback neighborship, then you have to use update source. There is no need of using here eBGP multi-hop because in the eBGP case, router will generate TTL value packets with TTL value 1. But whereas in IBGP, it will generate with TTL value 255. Clear? So that is why here it is generating with 255. There will be no issue regarding the reachability. Clear? Yeah. अरे लेके जाना अंकल. अरे कोई खाते नहीं लेकिन. Clear? And now if you see show IP, sorry, summary, it has formed the neighborship with both 1 and 3. Clear? And this is the AS of my neighbor. How many messages I have received from my neighbor? How many messages I have sent? What is a table version? In queue, out queue, do I have any packets in queue and out queue? No. Then up or down. How many minutes it's been up or down, and how many prefix we have received. Till now I have received anything, so it is 0. Clear? कुछ करना है? Yeah, so again the password is also the same. Already we have done that. Yeah, so first router BGP ASN, then the neighbor remote ASN. You have to tell who is your neighbor and what is his remote AS number, and the update source loopback, and if you are having password, tell the password. And in order to verify the IBGP neighbor, use the same command as show IP BGP summary. Here. Yeah. So this remaining content we'll be doing tomorrow. Yeah. We'll be starting from neighborship states and we'll be finishing the BGP complete tomorrow. Yeah. Right. See you then tomorrow.